Hey guys, just got a couple of new things. Got my Leatherwood Hi-lux CMR scope yesterday. I'm not going to go over all the stuff on it. I'll probably post a link on Such Double Lot's preview that he did. So he's kind of the reason why I got this, because I was thinking of getting a Millet or a Viper PST, but he previewed this. So I decided I'll go with it. I got it for about $265 on Natchez. I don't know if it's, I think they're still out of stock right now. So, but if you go to SWFA and you live outside of Texas, you could actually do a guarantee where they'll beat the price of any other competitors and give you about 110% discount. So I did it, and SWFA, I think that's how their initials are. They quoted me about $252, and I think that's including shipping. But since I live in Texas, I have to pay a state tax about $22, so I went with Natchez. So I'm only going to show a couple of things. I'm going to show you a bird's eye view of the inside and just a little tip on the zero lock that they have on it. So let's see if I could get this focused. Patient with me. Let me turn on the illumination. I'm going to put it at the max illumination, which is 11. There you go. And so now with the zero locking turret, just I was trying to figure out, because basically the instructions tell you after you basically have to loosen these nuts on here, or the screws on here, which basically lock your zero in. So basically what you have to do, you have to unscrew them, both the windage and elevation, and once you get your zero, basically what happens is once you get your zero, they say to move the MOA, what was it? MOA index mark ring, which is basically this right here. If I could get it focus. Okay, basically, when I first tried it, it wouldn't budge a little, so it just takes a while to get to loosen up. So basically, you could move the ring. You can move the ring itself without actually engaging the turret. So you hear no clicks. That means I'm not engaging the turret. Number's not coming up, but I'm gonna put this back to 0. So, but that's how you do the MOA index mark rings to move it. So basically, it's a pretty nice feature, and once you get it zeroed in, and then you where did I put my Allen screw. Basically, well, you know how to tighten the Allen screw anyways, just tighten it up, and basically once it's all tightened, you could still adjust your MOA on either windage or elevation. On the this is windage. On the windage, basically you could go all the way out to 14.5 MOA up or down, and you got 0. And I think on the elevation goes all the way full rotation to I think was it 29. That says in instructions. So it's 29 MOA on the elevation, and 14.5, which is basically a half circle on the windage. So top of that, today I got my Knight's Armament Ambi mag release right here. Took me about 15 minutes to put it in. Wasn't that bad. Check. The chamber is empty, but you probably can't see it. Lead's empty. Empty mag. And oops. There you go. So well, that's it. It's extended, and I might have to try to get used to, since my fingers right here, probably have to, I kind of have to bend my index finger a little just to reach it. So no mag pull, tactical, flipping magazine to the side moves. So, but on top of that, the bolt release, if it's empty, I have to get used to it. Trying to push it down, but it's not all that bad. Also on top of that, I got the Phase 5 Tactical Ambi latch. So it works fine. So that's about it. RRA still has to send me my rings, which should be here a week or two from now. So, alright, thanks for watching.